In this film, no animals were harmed. In the real world, they are. Animals are being numbered, sorted, and distributed as if they're products. They're transported for hours or days before they're slaughtered. Animals are illegally imported or legally executed. Animals are locked up in spaces far too small and with too many. Animals are bred and bred until they break down or taken away too soon from their mothers. Animals meant to run stand still for 23 hours a day. Animals are made to dance, to jump, to entertain, and then to die. Animals are neglected or simply dumped. The Dierenbescherming stands up for all forgotten animals. Don't forget the Dierenbescherming.